deep breath.
Hello, I would like you to watch this video first, and I would like you to concentrate the difference of this. You will see that it's different, right? You will see that sometimes the color of the movement is a little different. But why? Why there are science that prove that our eyes can see the different thing at the same time. But why do you see it's different at the same time? So today we will talk about why we can't control our eye to see different things at the same time. First, we will talk about some kinds of animal that we are different because human are 3D stereo version. And second, human eyes process. And as you know, the human eyes process, there are some cases that called lazy eye or amblyopia.
Okay, let's start with the 3D stereo vision. 3D stereo vision is the way that human eyes look at the things. 3D stereo vision is for human, but there are some animals, for example lizards or chickens, that have the eyes, each eye on each bone of their head. So they can control each eye like human can control their hands. So I can move my right hand now, and after I can move my left hand. They are independent. For these kind of animals, for lizards, for chickens, for example, they have the two eyes on different sides. They can control independently their eyes, so they can see different things at the same moment. For humans, we have 3D stereo visions. It means that also other animals have this kind of feature, like monkeys or owls. We have the position of our eyes is frontal. So the area that we can see is the same, but of course if you try with one finger in front of you and you close before the right and after the left eye, you can see some differences. You can see that your finger hides different things because of the angle and the view of your eyes. It's a little separated. So what happened? The process is that the brain has to elaborate in a really fast moment the two different informations that the nerve transport to the brain. So your brain can mix and merge the two different images, and you have the 3D stereo vision. It means that you have the height, and the depth. The depth is the most important thing. For us, it's natural. Think that my hand is, I don't know, 50 centimeters far from my face now. But for us it's natural, but you have to think about it because the brain is processing everything. You know that our distance is about 2 meters, but the brain is telling you this. It's not natural. So now that we know the differences between human eyes and some animals' eyes, just let us explain the process, the real process of our eyes and our brain.